Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I have for you some wood fall DIY decor ideas. This is my first fall video for the season, so let's go ahead and get started. DIY number 1. For this project, I'm taking this wood ring that I painted in a color black with this acrylic paint by Falcard, and then I'm taking 6 smaller beads and 3 larger beads. Then I'm going to be using Sturbander wood stick. It's for glue gun, and I am so happy they came up with this because I use a lot of wood in my projects. I am going to glue together first 3 of these smaller beads next to each other with the hole being on top and the bottom, and then I'm going to add 3 of the larger ones in the middle, and then I will attach 3 smaller ones on the other side. And again, I'm using Sturbander wood glue and glue gun. Now I am going to use the same glue attaching these across the inner circle of this wood ring. After that, I'm taking macrame cord, and I will take just one piece of it that I will kind of wrap it around, pull through, creating a little loop on top. And then I'm taking this wheat, and I am just taking 3 of those little wheat picks, and I'm putting them in 3 middle beads, larger beads. And that's going to be it for this super cute hanging piece. I really like how simple this is and love that it's made out of wood. Tell me what you think about this one. This video is actually part of the Friends Collab. 4 of us got together and decided to create some wood decor for you guys. The friends participating are Rebecca over at Rebecca Virginia DIY, Megan over at The Crafty Queen, and Liz over at Liz Moore Decal and Decor. And all of them are super talented, very sweet, and I love their ideas. I'm sure you will love them too. I'm gonna have the playlist in the description box, so go ahead and check out what they created. DIY number 2. I'm taking these Jenga blocks and also these birch logs from the Dollar Tree. I am going to first go ahead and glue these together using the same wood glue. I don't know how many was exactly here, but you're going to use as many Jenga blocks as needed to support 4 of the birch logs, because they're not all the same size. So as you can see over here, I'm going to attach them with the wood glue again on the top of this new created pedestal, let's say. Now I'm going to be taking these rub-on transfers from the Dollar Tree. I spell out fall, and then I don't know if you ever used rub-on transfers. Super easy to use. You just peel off the backing, put them on, then rub it off and pull off the top layer, and then here it is. Super simple. Now I'm taking the macrame cord that I used earlier in my previous project, and then I will just wrap it 3 times around the perimeter of this new created pedestal, just to kind of give a little detail, because I did not want to paint this. I wanted this natural color in this project. I'm used to my detailing glue gun, so it was a little bit tricky to work with this one, but I managed to do it. And here it is. I absolutely love this project, this decor piece. It is probably my favorite today. What do you guys think? And now I want to introduce you to my favorite place to get perfumes. It's Dossier. Dossier produces classic, high-end and luxury scents at a fraction of a price. And how is that possible? By cutting all the expenses and brand taxes. So not only that buying one of the Dossier perfumes, you're gonna smell like you're using any of the high-end perfumes, but also you're not gonna spend so much money. You guys know I'm a budget girl, and I love that there's something like Dossier. Another thing, their perfumes are colorant and UV filter free, vegan and cruelty free, and paraben and phthalate free. Also, their bottles, aside from the pump, are 100% made out of recyclable and sustainable materials. This month I chose 2 new scents to try. One is Woody Freesia. I believe that's how it is spelled. I'm sorry if I'm wrong. these two new new scents are a little bit stronger. They're perfect for date night, perfect for work. They both come with this card that tells you all the notes and tells you what is it inspired by. I already talked about Dossier, already talked about their perfumes. I absolutely love them. They are just amazing. They're what I am looking for in a perfumes, not only the price but the scent. If you go on their website, you can see over here the floral honeysuckle is the second scent I chose, and it was inspired by Gucci's Bloom. You can see also the difference in price. $108 is the original and theirs is only $39. The other one, Woody Freesia, was inspired by Armani's C, and original was $98 and they are selling for $29. It is just amazing what the saving is, and it smells absolutely the same. Trust me on that one. Also, the cute little addition is that they have magnetic caps, so we never lose the cap again. Dossier has women, men, and unisex perfumes. They also have candles with all these scents that comes in a perfumes as well. They also have a quiz where they can help you realize what scent is perfect for you. Dossier has risk-free system, so you can get to try perfumes before you commit to it, and you also have 30 days for return to get your money back. I do have a coupon code which is 10% off. Code is BlondieNextDoor 10, but Dossier also has a welcome offer up to 20% off on their website. So you can combine that 20% off to my 10% off, so you can save up to 30% off with already very affordable prices to begin with. Dossier also has a new payment method that lets you earn store credit. So when you're checking out, select Catch at the last stop at the checkout, and you can earn a $10 sign-on bonus credit. Also, you can get rewarded with 10% store credit on every order. I really hope you go ahead and try some of their perfumes. Trust me, you will not regret it. Not only do they smell exactly the same like high-end, you will not beat the price. Thank you, Dossier, for being my partner and supporting my channel. Okay, DIY number 3. I'm taking this little sign from Dollar General. It was $1. It's Christmas sign. I will first sand the middle because there's that glittery thing. Then I will take this fall card chalk paint in the color Sage, and I will paint the frame of this cute little sign. After it was all painted and dried, this is how it looks like. Now I'm going to take white Adirondack chalk paint by fall card, and I will paint the middle. Here it is. After that, I'm taking this beautiful craft paper that I got at Hobby Lobby, and then I will first take this vinyl that I got at Target Dollar Spot, cut out to the size to fit in the middle, and then here is my cutout of the truck, and I'm going to use a Mod Podge to apply it. Just one coat of Mod Podge to apply it, and I'm not going to do the top coat because I wanted to leave it matte. After that, I will take a little bit of this macrame cord that I used in my previous project and wrap it around each leg of this sign. And that's going to be it for this project. I know this one is super simple, but I don't know, for some reason it really speaks to me. I love the colors, I love how subtle it is, and it's so beautiful, and I used wood. What do you guys think about this one? Okay, DIY number 4. I'm taking this triangle frame from the Dollar Tree and this rectangle one from Target Dollar Spot for $1. And then I will sand again the inner part of it, and then here it is. After that, I will take that white chalk paint and paint the inner portion of it. After it was all painted and dried, here it is. Now I'm going to go ahead and take the same paintbrush and just touch up the top because some spots were rough. Okay, after that I'll put that aside. I'm gonna go ahead and get this vinyl sheet again from Target Dollar Spot, and it was a fall selection, so I'm gonna cut out just enough to fit inside of this rectangle. Okay, after that I will peel off the backing and fit it in, stick it in the inside of this rectangle. Okay, now I'm gonna take these acorns and wooden apples from the Dollar Tree. I'm gonna take one apple and this red paint. It's very dark red paint. I forgot the name. I'm gonna write it over here on the screen if I find it, and paint the apple. After that, I will go ahead and take this chalk paint in a color truffle, and I will paint the stem of the apple, and I will also use the same one for one of the acorns, and I will paint the whole acorn with this color. After that, I will put that aside, and I'm going to take a different color. This is color Mineral, I believe, or Silver Lining by Waverly also, and I will paint another acorn. Then I will, with the same brush, distress the first acorn, and then I will also go back and distress with that brown color the other acorn, if that makes sense. Now it's time to put them, put it all together. I'm gonna take this wood glue, apply it on top of the rectangle, and I'm gonna put the triangle on top, creating this cute little house. Then I will start gluing my gluing the apple and gluing acorns right inside of this rectangle. After this was done, I thought it looked super cute but needed something. It was too white. So I decided to take this piece of the summer hat from the Dollar Tree and just glue it on the inner portion of the roof. That gave me exactly what I wanted, and this is it for this project. In real life, it really looks better. You can see the definition better. In a picture, it looks too light, but I really like it. If you're first time on my channel, welcome. I am so happy you're here on my channel. You can find a lot of budget-friendly DIYs, decor ideas, thrift flips, and home improvement DIYs. There's a lot of changes coming in the upcoming months. Hope you will stay to see what is happening and support me. Thanks for being here. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you're new, subscribe. I would love to have you. If you're on a social media, I'm on Instagram, Pinterest, and Facebook. Just come and say hi. I would really love to chat with you and get to know you. DIY number 5. I'm going to be using this cardboard piece in a color white, and then these jumbo craft sticks from Walmart, 4 of them. Now I will measure out how much I need to cut because I wanted it to be a little bit wider than this cardboard, and I'm going to cut it with just scissors. After all four are cut, I'm going to take this antique wax by Folk Art, and I will stain this. So I'm just applying with a brush and then using a baby wipe to just wipe the excess off. I just painted one side, not the other. Now I'm gonna go ahead and take this rub-on transfer. It is actually for glass, but I decided to use it on this cardboard, and it works perfectly. Again, very easy to do. Peel off the backing, then make sure to rub it on completely, and then peel off the top part. If some part is not transferred, just go put it back down, do it again, like scrub it again, and then it's gonna everything be perfect. Now I wanted this sign to be a little bit smaller. I am cutting off the excess, marking where to cut, and cutting off the excess. After that, I am going to put one of these craft sticks on the back, on the bottom, and then the other on top. So that creates a nice little kind of a bottom portion of the frame. I'm going to do the same thing on top, except before I put the top one, I will just add a macrame cord on the top, unraveling the ends a little bit so it's not too bulky. And after I was done with this, I realized that this rub-on transfer was a little too small, so I decided to add something else. So I took these other rub-on transfers that are kind of leaves, and they look like fall leaves, and I added 3 of them. They're gold color, so they're not very visible, but they look so cute. And after that, this project is completed. I really like how simple this is. You guys know I love simple projects. Tell me what you think about this one. Tell me which one was your favorite, number 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5. And make sure to check out the description box for Dossier, and there's a code for you waiting. Also check out what everybody else created. Thank you so much for being here, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.